KO Blue Car Wash is Malco's latest concentrated car wash designed for the car professional or the enthusiast. Featuring excellent performance at an economical price, KO Blue is a deep blue car wash that will tackle dirt, grease, and grime. Whether you prefer to use a traditional bucket and wash mitt or a foam cannon, KO Blue is formulated to provide the foam coverage you desire. Recommended dilution for KO Blue is 1 to 100, which means you can expect over 50 washes per gallon. Featuring an amazing fruit punch scent, this specially designed formula will not remove wax or ceramic coatings and does not leave behind a filmy residue. For more information on Malco KO Blue Car Wash, visit malcoautomotive.com or contact your local Malco distributor.